Hello, my dear students, it's teacher Jason, and I'm happy to welcome you in our online video science lesson. I hope you and your family stay safe and everything alright with you. I wish you enjoy and have a really good time here with me. So let's dive into our lesson. Alright, before we start new topic, let's review everything we learned before. Before we discover with you types of material, right? Materials in daily life can be grouped into three types by their physical properties as follows. First one, metal. Second one, ceramic. And third one, polymer. Alright, let's discover every material. Number one is metal. Metal drawn out from ore minerals. Most metals are strong, durable, and flexible. We call this one physical properties. Strong, durable, shiny, flexible. Right? It can be buttered or pulled into thin sheets or lines. Moreover, it's good at conducting heat and electricity. So, metal, conductor of heat and electricity. Okay? Let's observe examples of metal. Okay, it's copper, gold, iron, aluminum, zinc, silver, tin. Right? So objects made of metals. What objects we can make from metal? It's pot. Repeat after me, please. Pot, wire, ring, nail. Okay. Number two is ceramic. Okay, ceramic made of clay. Physical properties of ceramic, it's hard but fragile. Okay, fragile. It's easy to break. Okay, and ceramic do not conduct electricity but conduct heat. Alright. Objects made of ceramic is vase, teapot. Repeat after me, please. Vase, teapot, flower pot. Repeat after me. Flower pot, flush toilet, dragon jar, right? And polymer. There are natural and artificial polymers. Okay, it can be natural or artificial. And physical properties of polymer: they clear, light in weight, and can be dyed into different colors. Okay. Most polymers do not conduct heat and electricity. Alright, do not conduct heat and electricity. Let's uh, observe some natural polymers. Natural polymers, it's para rubber. Repeat after me, please. Para rubber. Para rubber. Yeah. Wood. It's natural polymer. Wood. Cotton. Repeat after me, please. Cotton. Silk. Silk. And natural fiber. Repeat after me, please. Natural fiber. One more time, please. Natural fiber. All right. Next one, artificial polymers. Man-made. It's mean artificial. It's mean made by man. All right. Synthetic fiber. Repeat after me, please. Synthetic fiber. Synthetic rubber. Synthetic rubber. Plastic. Repeat, please. Plastic. All right. Objects made of polymer. Toy car. Cardboard box. Scarf. Wooden ladle. All right. So materials, we can split materials in two groups: natural and artificial. All right. Natural materials is wood, sand, cotton, silk, metals, clay, and para-rubber. Okay, natural came from nature, right? And artificial, made by man. plastic, synthetic wood, synthetic rubber, synthetic fiber, right? So we have natural and artificial materials. Okay. Also, we discovered with you physical properties of materials, right? Different materials have different properties such as hardness, elasticity, heat conductivity, and electrical conductivity. Okay, so we made some exercise with you on page 143 on your work textbook, and we fill in the blank with given words. So we know that copper in the electric wires has the property of electrical conductivity, right? Balloons have the property of uh, elasticity, right? And electrical poles have the property of hardness, all right? So I hope you refresh your knowledge now. So hardness is the property of material which tell us how much it can resist scratches. You remember we made some activity and we scratch one material by another and we identify which more harder. All right, so I prepare some video about hardness. Watch closely, please. First of all, you pause the video lesson, please. Pause our video lesson. Then click the link and watch video 1. It's appear here on the screen, or you can find the link in description below. And when you finish watching video 1, continue to watch our video lesson, all right? So when you finish, please close that window and come back to our video lesson and continue to watch our video lesson. So I ask you to pause the video now, open video 1, and when you finish with video 1, continue to watch our video lesson, right? So let's do it right now. Pause the video, please. Alright, I hope you enjoy our video about hardness. And one more time, hardness is the property of material which tell us how much it can resist scratches. Alright, next property is elasticity, is the ability of material to resist an applying force and to return to its original shape when force is removed. Okay, you remember we made some activity uh, to identify which material has property of elasticity and which one not. All right. So I prepare one more video about elasticity. Watch closely, please. All right. To watch next video, I ask you again to pause the video lesson. Click the link and watch video 2. Same way like we make with video 1 in the beginning of our lesson. When you finish, watch video number 2. Come back to our video lesson and continue to watch our video lesson. Alright? See you here after you finish, watch video 2. Okay, pause the video now and go watch video 2. And I'm waiting you here, okay? See you later. Alright, one more time. So elasticity is the ability of material to resist an applying force and to return to its original shape when force is removed. Okay, next property is heat conductivity. Okay, heat conductivity is the property of materials which lets heat pass through them. Okay, heat conductivity is the property of materials which lets heat pass through them. Alright? Okay, let's watch our heat conductivity video. Alright? Okay, so again, I will ask you to pause the video lesson and click the link and watch video 3. When you finish watching video 3, continue to watch our video lesson. Alright? So pause the video, please. Click the link and watch video 3. When you finish watching, come back to our video lesson, push the play button and continue to watch our video lesson. Right? Alright, so now we know that metal conduct heat, but polymers do not conduct heat. Yeah, from this experiment we can summarize, we can conclude that metal conduct heat. Okay, one more time. Heat conductivity is the property of materials which lets heat pass through them. Alright, now I want you prepare your work textbook and open page 157. Okay, I want you open your work textbook on page 157. Take your pen or pencil and let's make exercise number 1. One more time. I repeat, if you need some time to prepare your work textbook and pen, please pause video, and when you're ready, push the play button again and we continue our lesson. Okay, so open your work textbook on page 157, exercise 1. We will name the material of each picture and tick its correct physical property of or properties. All right, so number 1, look on the object. What is it? It's glass. All right, I want you to tell me now what material we use to make glass. Glass made of? Correct, made of glass. So take your pen, please, and write down object number 1, made of glass. Right? Made of glass. And then we look on the right side of our table. Physical properties of materials. Hardness, hardness, elasticity, heat conductivity, and electrical conductivity. What we can tell about glass? Glass, hard or not? Yes, it's hard. What about property of elasticity? No. Yes, glass cannot be stretching. So what about heat conductivity? Glass do not conduct heat, right? And do not conduct electric. So we just take first column of physical property, it's hardness. Okay, ticket hardness. All right, and let's go to the object number 2. What is it? It's slipper. All right, repeat after me. Number 2, it's slipper. This is a slipper. Okay, what material we use to make slipper? Do you know? Could you guess, please? We use rubber. Okay, rubber. Write it down. Rubber. We use rubber to make slipper. Okay, and now physical properties of rubber. Is it hard? No, it can be stretching. Okay, we can stretch slipper, we can stretch rubber. So we have elasticity, right? Property of elasticity. Okay, ticket. And what about heat conductivity, electrical conductivity? It do not conduct heat and do not conduct electricity. All right. Number 3, what is it? Object number 3, what is it? Let's say it's ceramic bowl. All right, ceramic bowl. Material? Material is ceramic, okay? Ceramic. And do you remember properties of ceramic? Is it hard or not? I think it's hard, right? What about elasticity? We cannot stretch ceramic, right? And what about heat conductivity and electrical conductivity? Choose right physical property of ceramic and tick it, all right? And we continue. What is number 4? Object number 4 is kitchen cutting board. Kitchen cutting board, all right? What kind of material we use to make kitchen cutting board? Do you remember? You can guess. What do you think? For sure, it's wood. All right, it's wood. Write it down in your work textbook. Wood. What about physical properties of wood? It's hard or not? We can stretch it or we cannot stretch. What about heat and electrical conductivity? Tick it, okay? Write it and tick it. Okay, number 5. What is number 5? It's paperclip, right? It's paperclip. And what kind of material we use to make paperclip? You can answer this question and write down material we use for make object number 5 paperclip and choose physical properties of metal. All right, we use metal to make a paperclip, so material is metal. I want you write down metal by yourself. And what about properties of metal? Hard or soft? We can stretch material, metal, or we cannot stretch. What about heat and electrical conductivity? Okay, I give you tip here. We have to tick 3 properties. All right, 3 properties. So make it by your own. All right, when you finish, you can push the play button again, and we continue our lesson. All right.
Great job, my talented friends! Now we step into conclusion stage where we review everything we learned today in short way. Let's do it and attention on the screen please.
So we learn physical properties of materials. We discover that different materials have different properties such as hardness, elasticity, heat conductivity, and electrical conductivity. Okay, we uh, we know now that hardness is the property of material which tell us how much it can resist scratches. Also, we know that elasticity is the ability of material to resist an applying force and to return to its original shape when force is removed. Okay, and also heat conductivity is the property of materials which lets heat pass through them. All right, this is it for today. I hope you stay safe, you stay home with your lovely family, and see you soon. Bye bye.